Hey man, you got a minute? How about two? Agent AOD wants to talk to you about something.
Hey you guys, welcome to a beautiful sunny Sunday here in Southeast Michigan. Great day to be out in the shop. Today's project, I'm going to nut and bolt the car. What I mean by that is I'm going to go through the car front to rear and check the nuts and bolts, make sure they're tight. Once I check them, I'll use either a paint stick or a Sharpie, and I will put a witness mark on the nuts and bolts so that way I can just check them at a glance in the future to make sure that they haven't backed off. This particular job is very critical on my car because the engine is solid mounted, all the rear end stuff is solid mounted. The only urethane mounts on the car are the front lower control arms and the transmission tail shaft, so the car sees a lot of vibration. So this is a pretty critical step for my car to make sure that I do this periodically. Now, just a quick tour of my shop. I have a 24 by 24 garage. This is the half I get to work out of. I just have the basic common tools like everybody else has. I have a drill press, bench vise. I'm putting together a hydraulic press slowly but surely out of some spare parts and pieces I've had laying around. I've got a MIG welder over here. You can see I've got a disc sander and a small sandblaster, which I got from Harbor Freight. The disc sander is a great purchase. The thing works awesome. I'm really happy with it. Over here in the corner, you can see just real quick, it's a picture of my old black 88 coupe that I used to own. That's where my screen name came from, black 88 coupe. You can find me everywhere on the internet under that. Here's a picture of Agent AOD at the racetrack last year. This is a certificate and a time slip from when I went to the Frank Hawley drag racing school. Paid a couple $100 and got to drive a rear engine dragster. Had a 572 big black Chevy in it with a 2-speed power glide. It went 1060s at 124 miles an hour. I'm not sure if you can read that, but that was a lot of fun. Like I said, this is a project. This is a very worthwhile project to do because, like I said, on my car in particular, with all the solid mounts, it sees a lot of vibration. So I want to make sure that everything's nice and tight. Obviously, I don't want anything falling off when I'm going down the track or driving around town. So this will give me a lot of peace of mind and that. So get out to the garage, check your car, go over it with a fine-tooth comb. It doesn't take very long, and make sure that the car is going to be safe for you to take out and go have some high-speed fun with it. All right, guys, get out there, go fast, have fun. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you like it, hit the like button. Feel free to comment. We love your comments. We love the interaction with you guys. And if you have any ideas for any other projects that you might like to see us do, definitely leave it in the comments and we'll do our best to get something done for you. All right, guys, have a good day. Happy racing.